There's two woodpeckers in my backyard. They are so cute. Oh, actually there's three. There's one over by the brick behind the hedges there. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Aww. They're so cute. Oh, the other one's over there. There's four. There's four of them.